Welcome, this is your boy Mr. X. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $350 a day and make up to $10,000 per month with very simple and basic strategy. Today I'm gonna show you. So before we're gonna start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's start this video. So step number one is you guys just simply came to your Clickbank account, and right now you guys can see I am in my Clickbank account in my marketplace. So what we're gonna do, normally people go and select a specific product, but right now I'm not gonna select a specific product. I'm gonna select a specific category. Right now you guys can see I'm gonna select like e-business and e-marketing because this is known as make money online niche. You guys just simply click this and you guys can see all the top products in e-business and e-marketing. This is known as make money online niche, okay, or category you call it. So the number one product right now you guys can see get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Almost you guys can make up to $40 if you promote this offer. We are not promoting this one, so scroll down. So this offer gives you $88, $44, scroll down like $16. This offer gives you, scroll down, and this offer gives you almost $350 if you promote this offer once. So we're gonna promote this offer because if we get one sale, only one sale, we make over $350 in every single sale. So what we're gonna do, let's see the sales page and then we're gonna promote this offer, okay? So this is a sales page of that product which we're gonna promote. In a second I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote, but this is a sales page. If anybody add their email and first name, they will simply click and claim my spot now and they will see a free training. And if they buy with our affiliate link, we made more than $350 in every single sale. So this is one of the most popular product right now in the market. That's why we're gonna promote this one. Go back to your Clickbank account and we're gonna promote this. Simply click promote, get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. So I have my affiliate link in my notepad. So what is our next step? Next step is you guys simply go to tinyurl.com. so a lot of you know about tinyurl, right? So you guys just simply add your affiliate link here like this and simply click make a tiny URL, because the strategy I'm going to show you right now, this strategy only accept tiny URL. They did not accept bit.ly URL, okay? So that's why we just simply shot our link through tiny URL. Make sure copy that link and save in your notepad. So what is our next step to make money online, right? So our next step is we just simply go to this website. This website is called minds.com. so this is a social media site, and like millions of visits every single month this website is getting, and majority of visits comes from United States. That's why I'm showing you this website, and tier 1 traffic this website is getting. And I'm going to show you really cool things in this website. So what we're going to do, you guys see login and join now button. You guys just simply click join now and you guys simply add your username, email and password and simply click join now and your account will be created. So I have my account right now. I'm just simply go in my account. So right now you guys can see this is my minds.com account and this is a news feed of Minds. So this is very similar to Facebook interface. You guys can see very similar interface as Facebook is. And what we're gonna do is you guys can see a lot of things here. So first of all, I'm gonna give you a small quick overview of this website. So first of all, this is a news feed and this is a discovery. Simply click discovery and you guys can see the top shares of today. You guys can see a lot of people are getting a lot of views, like 5 hours ago like 1,000. So it means this website is getting a lot of views, that's what visits. That's why these posts are getting like 6 hours ago 500 more than 500 views. So I'm going to show you how we're going to promote, but these are the recently top offers and this is just for you, your tags and trending stuff. You guys can also see trending type of stuff. You guys can see this is like similar to like Twitter. You guys can see hashtag love is trending right now, Putin, like humor, war, Bitcoin, hashtag Biden. And what is boosted? Simply click this. So these are the trends and this is boosted. This is known as ads. These are all ads. So boosted mean ads. So a lot of people are advertising their businesses website in this website, because if you want to run ads you guys can go with it, but I'm not recommend to run ads with this website, you guys. So all these are ads. You guys can see boosted. So a lot of people are promoting their websites. So what we're gonna do, simply go back to Minds. This is a news feed. So what is our first step? You guys can see this. Simply click this and go to your profile. So this is not your profile, this is your channel. Like you have YouTube channels, you promote your videos like or sometimes post in Facebook. So what we're gonna do, you guys can see edit channel. Simply first step is click this and make sure upload a background image and upload a profile image of your channel. You guys can also get these images from Google, because I also get this image, and this image is got from Google, and add a small bio of yourself and then scroll down and save this, and then you guys simply add about info or hashtags. Like you guys can add hashtags like make money online. I added like at least 4 hashtags. If you want to add like your URLs, for example Facebook or YouTube or Instagram URL, you guys can go with it. So I just simply add hashtags in my bio and images, and my channel is ready to go. And this channel is getting a lot of views. I'm going to show you how, and you guys can also make money with this channel. I'm going to show you, but before I'm going to show you how you guys can promote your affiliate offer. So scroll down and you guys can see post. So speak your mind, simply click this, and you guys can see what we're gonna do first. Because we are promoting make money online offer, our step number 1 is we are uploading an image. How we get that image, you guys, is simply go to google.com and you guys select a specific image. Simply type make money online 5,000, 3,000, 1,000 and select any of these images. For example, this kind of image, simply click this and save in your simply click and save as image on your computer. So I have one image. I'm just simply click upload and I'm gonna upload in my from my PC. Okay, so right now you guys can see I upload this image, and I also get this image from Google. Simply type make money online 5,000 and I got this image $5,000 per month, no skills. So no skills needed. Simply click title. So I'm gonna go with like make $5,000 per month, copy and paste. So this is like a eye-catching headline, and scroll down, and this is the main area where we're gonna add our affiliate link and a small description. So this is my small ad copy. Simply click copy and paste and scroll down. So right now you guys can see I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 per month, just copy and paste method. A lot of people are making thousands every single month. If you want to learn how this copy and paste method works, watch this free video, and this is a free video URL. Scroll down and you guys just simply click post. But before, you guys simply see tags. Simply click on tags and add tags. For example, make money online tags. I'm gonna add it. Simply make money online. Again, like make money work from home, affiliate marketing for beginners, and the last one is, so they allowed only 5 tags, so we just simply click save tags and simply click post. So sometime you guys can see it did not allow a tiny URL. So what we're gonna do, you guys just simply click post. They did not allow you, right? So what we're gonna do, you guys simply copy that and remove that, and first you guys simply click post, and now your post is done. Scroll down scroll down, and what we're gonna do right now, you guys just simply click these 3 dots and simply click edit post. And now you guys just simply add your tiny URL again, and then they will allow you to add. So simply click save, and they did not allow you. So what we're gonna do, you guys just simply click this and refresh one time and scroll down, and you guys can see your link is here. So sometimes it shows a bug, but your link will be added here. Okay, so right now you guys can see our link is added. So like 45 seconds ago, literally after a few hours, you are start getting views. If I scroll down, so I uploaded a post like 5 hours ago and I got 63 views, and literally I start getting a link clicks, affiliate link clicks from this post, and literally I think in first 24 hours I literally get one sale. Okay, so literally I start getting a lot of hop links in my affiliate link in my Clickbank. So literally it will take like 24 hours, then I will literally get at least one sale with this method. And one more thing is, you guys can also make money with posting your content from this channel. You guys see, simply click more and you guys go to analytics. So these are the impressions and a lot of stuff. So this is engagement, but you guys can see earning. Simply click earning. And you guys can also make money. You post your content or video, but how? You guys simply see, these are the two methods, Minds Plus and simply click Pro. Minds Pro, simply go there. If you want to make money with posting content on this website, you must go with like buy a subscription of $5 per month. And second is, if you want to make a lot of money like normally YouTube creators are make, so you guys must pay like $40 per month. Then you guys literally post your content and you guys are start making money. So I am not recommend to like do this. You guys just simply go to your account and make sure you guys make money with just affiliate marketing. And this website literally works a lot of the time for me. So this is my new website, so this is my new account, and I also work from this account from past couple of weeks, and this gives me really great results. So that's why I show you this website. So with this method, you guys can make up to $10,000 a month with very simple and basic strategy this is. But the main thing is, you guys must post as much content as possible. And that's it for this tutorial. We will meet you in the next. See you soon. I'm signing off.